Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Google account sign error issue on Android, so let's start. So first let's go to settings, and here on settings you have to scroll down a little bit and let's go to the part that says account and sign. So just click here and then you have to select the account that you want to sign in. For example, Google. Just click here and select the account. In this part, I want this one, and just select what would you like to sync it. So, for example, this one, just this one, and this one. Okay, so you have to wait a little bit until everything is signing with your mobile, your device, and when it finishes, it's appear like tap to sign now, let's sign it, and you have to check if the date is the same as you are right now. So that's how you can sign your Google account without any problem. You can do with any account that you have in your device, and you try to sign in only. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.